The National Assembly has stood as a symbol of great national unity and the highest representative body of the people of the past 80 years.
And since its first term, the National Assembly has continued to renew itself, enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of its work. Each term has left a distinct historical mark with major decisions that have helped the country overcome challenges while strengthening a public confidence in the cause of nation building and national defense.
Over 15 terms, the National Assembly has continued to grow and reform, aiming at fulfilling its constitutional duties.
The National Assembly has fulfilled its constitutional and legislative responsibilities, with 5 constitution versions and hundreds of laws and resolutions, while strengthening oversight to address major socio-economic issues of public concern. Decisions on the state apparatus, the economy, national defense, foreign affairs, and social affairs have been made to meet urgent national needs and improve people's lives.
At the final session of the 15th National Assembly, constitutional amendments and a record number of laws were passed, institutionalizing major party policies and creating a legal framework for a new development phase.
The 15th National Assembly's 10th session reflected its unprecedented determination and strong renewal, with a workload equal to nearly one-third of the entire term. This has opened a new chapter for the next development stage.
The National Assembly places the people at the center, building policies that address the country's issues in modern times amid global fluctuations.
As the country enters a new development phase, the National Assembly is urged to continue comprehensive reform to meet new national demands and high people's expectations.
The National Assembly must innovate proactively, dare to lead, and dare to decide on difficult and new issues, with lawmaking as the breakthrough of breakthroughs, and oversight renewed to foster development. The National Assembly will further enhance the quality of its work and its strategic vision, placing national interests above all else, for the country's prosperity and the people's well-being.
The National Assembly is expected to continue responding to the nation's strong aspirations for progress, worthy of the trust of the party, voters, and the people.